This is a quick look at abwhite.com. And while there's a lot I can say about the design, I mean, tests have shown that sliders kill conversions. They cause banner blindness. They divide the user's attention. They're not built for accessibility. Their click-through rates are horrible. And sliders aren't mobile optimized. And tests have shown that too many options overwhelm visitors. And sliders take control away from you. The way it should be set up is you should have a page designed and set up for each service you offer. And that page should be optimized to rank in the search engines. So when somebody's looking for that specific service, they find your page, and it should be an image-focused design, bold graphics that grab the user and pulls them into the story. Your image is your elevator pitch. It tells the website visitor your purpose for existing. And the image should be flawless. It should pull you into the call to action. And the call to action has to jump off the page. The reason for your call to action is to prevent boredom, fatigue, and breathe life and meaning and understanding into your content. Users need direction, and they need to be told what to do next. You've got to give short, strong orders that persuade, engage, and gets them to click. Sliders slow the site down. They add more images and more code bloat to the site. And the one thing we know for sure is that slow sites kill conversions. So not only do we know for sure that sliders kill conversions, but we know that slow sites also kill conversions, and you're combining them together when you're using sliders. And it's one of the reasons this website takes a whopping 2.3 seconds for the first content paint. It's got to be in under a second, or else Google will limit how often and how deep they crawl your site, making it difficult to rank web pages in Google. And it's not fully loaded until 3.2 seconds. And Google penalizes sites that take over 2.5 seconds to fully load, because when they studied their ad network, they discovered that if a site takes just 3 seconds to load, it will lose over half its traffic, 53% of its traffic. So this site is losing traffic, bleeding leads, getting ranking penalties, getting spidered less for less time, and the spiders aren't going as deep, all because of bad code. And that's the good news, because this site isn't ADA compliant either. The American with Disabilities Act, ADA, with government fines that start at $50,000 per incident. And it's got errors, and one error can prevent the search engines from being able to spider the site or cause it not to work correctly in a device. So as long as the site has errors, you can't be sure it's ADA compliant. It's the reason professionals validate their code, because they know they can't be sure they didn't forget to close a tag. The consequences of bad code go beyond financial losses. They can jeopardize the business through fines and lawsuits. Attorneys invest good money in websites that suffer from loading issues, aren't ADA compliant, and don't have valid code. Bad code puts the entire law firm at risk. Web developers should put doing the job correctly over finishing quickly.